Why am I single? Well, because I get bored easily, I process a lot and don't want other individuals there while I'm doing that, because sometimes that needs to be done alone. I don't have children either for that reason. I'm just trying to figure this world and myself out, you know, like, I definitely don't want somebody sitting in on that. And I really don't want their input, like, or response, you know, if I need to feel free. So, you know, I feel like a couple days, a week is nice, you know, then you get all the good time. I can wrap myself up nice. Yeah.